high warning spotter activation may be needed with storms on Wednesday evening. High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Wisconsin, Polk, Barron, Rusk, St. Croix, and Pierce counties. In Minnesota, Isanti and Chisago counties. When? From 6 p.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Repeating, a high wind warning has been issued from 6 p.m. Wednesday until 6 a.m. Thursday for the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Pierce, Polk, and St. Croix. The following is a